Do you like to take care of yourself? Do you enjoy making homemade masks to treat your skin? We have posted many recipes on our channel, but today we will talk about a favorite of ours that can be incorporated to your skincare. Turmeric, also known as curcuma or curcumin. Turmeric offers benefits to the skin that have been proved by scientific studies and for more than 5,000 years of use in Ayurveda. Its main substance, curcumin, is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and has healing, antiseptic, and anti-allergic properties. If you want to learn more about it, watch the suggested video with the main benefits of curcumin to your health. Up to now, we know many properties of this spice, and we have made many videos where it shows up as a main ingredient for natural medicines, but you probably still don't know how to use it to improve your beauty. And that's why in today's video, we will show you 3 turmeric masks for clean skin, shiny and free of impurities. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up to help our channel. Turmeric and coconut oil mask. Coconut oil is a great natural medicine to eliminate acne and zits. Because of the medium-chain fatty acids it has, it is easily absorbed. It is able to restore the natural balance of skin and also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of organic turmeric powder, extra virgin coconut oil, as needed. Directions: mix the turmeric powder with coconut oil in a bowl until it forms a mask with the ideal consistency to apply on skin. After mixing it well, apply it on your face. Let it act for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing your face with warm water. Do it 2 to 3 times a week. Turmeric and honey mask. Honey also has powerful antimicrobial properties and has figured in many beauty recipes on our channel. It helps disinfect and heal deep cuts and wounds and is highly moisturizing. This mask is perfect for people with combination skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Directions: mix turmeric and honey in a bowl until it reaches a thick and smooth consistency. Apply on skin and let it act for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it with warm water. Afterwards, gently dry your skin with a soft towel. You can use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Turmeric and milk mask. Rich in lactic acid, milk acts as a natural whitening agent to illuminate your skin, giving it a gentle and perfect appearance. If you have dry or combination skin, whole milk is recommended, but if your skin is oily, it's better to use skim milk. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder, milk as needed. Directions: in a small bowl, put the turmeric powder and add enough milk to form a thick paste that can be evenly applied to your face. Mix well and apply. Let it act for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. This mask can be used 3 to 4 times a week. If you are afraid of using these masks because of turmeric's color, don't worry. You can easily remove the spots on your skin, nails, and even on your clothes if you get dirty. Did you know any of these recipes yet? For being antioxidant, turmeric is also recommended to those who want to lessen or slow down the signs of premature aging. Amazing, isn't it? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.